Hi angels, how my Bella's doing today. So today I just wanted to talk about a few little YSL bags from my handbag collection, and these are beauty bags, you guys. These are items that I received with beauty products. So let's go ahead, let's get started. If you're here for it, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. Let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So I have this lovely YSL patent leather bag right here, and you can see it says YSL right there in the corner. As well as I have this lovely YSL beauty bag that's so nice with the chain, and you could use this as a clutch or carry it when you're going out. And then I have this lovely YSL beauty bag right here. So beautiful. I love these in my collection. So let's go ahead and let's talk about some of these little items that I have in here. So what all do I have in here? So this one, I believe I was using it to store my makeup mirrors. You see I have a bunch of mirrors in there. So I have this YSL makeup mirror right here, Yves Saint Laurent, and it's so pretty. It might have a little bit of a reflection, but I wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys. So I have that lovely one right there, so beautiful. And then this lovely YSL mirror as well, so pretty. I had to get the red for a pop of color. I love this in my handbag collection, and to use it for accessories. That's the lovely YSL mirror. I'm not going to turn it around because I don't want to blind you guys, but that's it. The red is just so lovely, so beautiful in your handbag. And then the next one that I have is the classic black and gold right there. This is what this one looks like. And then I have my perfume in here. This fragrance smells so good. I absolutely love this. So I have that in there. So I just have a few YSL items in here stored. Next, so that's everything that I have in this YSL bag. And it has a zip closure. Next, I have this one right here. So lovely. I absolutely love this one. So pretty. This looks, it's actually pink. It's a hot pink. It kind of looks red or something from a distance sometimes, but it's actually a hot pink. It's so beautiful. So this is everything that I have stored in here. And this has a mirror on it, so I don't want to blind you guys. It has a mirror at the top right there. But look at how lovely. I have all my YSL lippies stored in there. Beautiful beauty bag. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these. So I have this lovely, pretty, beautiful one right here. And this is what this one looks like. So beautiful. So pretty. That's what that one looks like. That's what that looks like right there. It's got like an orangey, it's got an orangey tone to it, not so much red. This is a beautiful color. I'll have the name of this color here for you. So that's that one. Then next in here, I have this lovely one right here. We're gonna do that one next. This lovely one right here. And I'll have the beautiful colors of these for you guys. This one is more of a red. It's got more of a red than the orangey tone of the other one. It's more of a red, and that's what this one looks like right there. So beautiful. And then I have this other color in here I love a lot. So I have this one right here. And this one is a lovely mauve pink color. Look at how beautiful that is. That's a lovely mauve pink color. And this one is right here. Look at how beautiful that mauve pink color is, you guys. So beautiful. And these are some of my YSL lippies that I keep stored in here. So nice. This is such a beautiful makeup bag to store your lipsticks in, as well as the other one to store your makeup mirrors in, you guys. I love both of these YSL bags in my handbag collection to use them as accessories. And then, like I said, I have this larger one that I use as a clutch. And the last and final thing that I wanted to show you, lovely ladies, is my lovely Yves Saint Laurent scarf. This is a vintage YSL Yves Saint Laurent scarf. It's so beautiful, and I absolutely love and enjoy wearing this. This is what it looks like right here. Such a beautiful, lovely scarf, you guys, to just wrap around and wear around your neck or around a handbag. So, so pretty. And you can just tie it and wear it however you want to wear it. You know, it's really, really pretty. The colors on this scarf is so beautiful. And anytime I tie it, I try to, you know, leave it where you can see that it is YSL. That's always important. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video on my YSL Yves Saint Laurent items, and I'll see you lovely ladies soon in another video. Bye.